Good, increasingly sunny, warm, muggy, gorgeous day in Bloomington, Illinois, in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois after a very stormy, rocky, rainy morning. You can see I went again just to show you the power of my trading style. I went in on Ethereum, and you can see in the blue, Ethereum, just like last time, in 17, crashed right to the 200-day, then rode on it, and then crashed to the 50-day in pink or purple, and then obviously the green and red candles are our current price, and then pumped back up, right? And it's doing the same thing, just like XRP and Bitcoin, and this is why we are confident in our forecast that before we make new highs, we're coming way down. And we warned you yesterday, down here, you could pump up to this overhead moving average and the overhead rising wedge upper major resistance and then get rejected. And it just so happens when I superimposed the late 2000 December 17 crash through late 2018 flush, it did have this same pump off the 50-day moving average up to overhead resistance and then traded sideways and started coming down because the volume's still coming down, right? And that's how we got these targets. We were warning you the whole time, and that's how we predicted. And this is our long-standing bottom. 1,000, that's got to come down a little more. $1,087.08 is our long-standing target from the time we hit and had our final last fake out. We put the forecast out up here and thought we'd get rejected and start this down. Well, what happened was we had a fake out and a final pump up to get more jabronis and suckers in. And we told you were jabronis up here. Jabroni buy. Jabroni. 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 All these were jabronis because the price was going to flush if you didn't capitalize and sell. Now it flushed and it came awfully close, just off the first flush, down to $1,787. Only $700 higher than our average that where we said it's coming down to. And now when we get rejected off of here, we're going to trade down and we're coming back to here. And if we do the same plan that we did after that 18-month, it's nothing but sideways and crashing in that bear market, unless we do it quicker, we're going to come down to our target over the next 6 or 7 months. And by September, as summer rolls down and gold's skyrocketing and doing this, like I'm telling you, Bitcoin's going to come down and meet our $10,000 target, sub $10,000 Bitcoin, and Ethereum is going to come down and meet our target. I mean, this is powerful stuff that I'm giving you. There's our Saturday Night Live hype killer for part-time hype killer, but also known as the Jabroni killer, the twin brother of Isaac's favorite duck hunter, right? Isaac, check out Isaac's channel. We're really making steam in him. And he's sitting there and he shot him down. Bam! Duck, bam! Hitting them ducks at key resistance as they tried to fly over to get up to the target, to happiness and freedom and food. And I told you you're going to get shot down. Bam! Right in the face, son. And you did. And we're going to trade down. And you've just entered into a multi-year bear market. And you're going to come down to 1,085 in Ethereum before you make a new high of 43.26. I'm telling you that right now. This prior price action, when I went back into the history and dug into this for you, because that's what I do at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. I'm a shepherd, not a sheep. I sidestep and stay 2 steps ahead in my audibles of the criminal gangster cartel that have infiltrated the trading markets to knock down the retail investor into submission and government dependency. I show you before it happens what to do, and this is where we're going. And inflation and fears are going to rise. You guys need to get in to stores of value, mining stocks, gold and silver bullion, because you watch. I'm going to leave this on here as a case study, and you watch over the next few weeks or days. This is May. You watch over the next 14, 15 days, you get rejected off this upper major resistance. You're going to get rejected, and you're going to come back down because there's no volume. You watch. You're going to get rejected, flirt, maybe a little fake out in there, and then you're coming back down. And you're going to have a big crash, and then you're going to have a little pump. You really need to have your shit together now. You really need to be keen into your education in this market in order to profit, because the days of throwing darts and earning 300%, I told you, are over. When that market structure got changed a week ago today, I told you those days are over. And if you're just going to buy the hype and toss your money around and gamble, you're going to get hammered, beat down, and destroyed in this market, right? But you need a structurally sound, probability-based structure and a game plan to stick to and outlined, and you must stick to that plan and support that decision and follow through with that, or you're going to get wrecked and hammered in this market. This was just a quick update. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.